Hey, this is Kevin, Big Bear Performance. I wanted to show you our Dyna rear engine mounts. We have made some engineering changes and improvements. We have found the magic preload on these rubbers that are inside this mount. We've also handled some clearancing, gave these mounts more clearance to the within the mount and to the bike. We're very, very excited about these mounts. They work so well and they stabilize the rear of that Dyna. And like I said, latest version is so badass. If any of you out there have a version and if you had any issues with it, just send it in and we'll handle it, no problems, take care of it for you. The only thing you'd have to pay for is new rubbers, but the rest of it we take care of because it's a mount that is used over and over and over again. All you need to do is replace the rubbers. They're only $20 each, there's 2 of them. So it's a really good unit to have on a Dyna. Much appreciated. Motor on, be safe.